In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The launch of a new Afghan air cargo export initiative. A young woman marries after 6 years of paternal opposition. And the continuation of Zionist military aggression across the occupied West Bank. Welcome to our Today News Package. It's Sunday, the 25th of Jamadi al-Awwal, 1447, the 25th of Aqrab, 1404, and the 16th of November, 2025. The news details. Ariana Afghan Airlines has announced that, pursuant to a decision by the Economic Deputy Office of the Prime Minister, it has officially implemented reduced tariffs rate for cargo export and imports via air transport starting today, Sunday, the 25th of Aqrab. Mullah Bakhturrahman Sharafat, the head of Ariana Afghan Airlines, stated that from now on, via regular cargo flights operated by the airline, Afghan products including fresh and dried fruit, saffron and carpets will be exported to various countries. It was noting that the Economic Deputy Office had instructed the airline to set the shipping cost for each kilogram of export cargo at $1 and for import products at 80 cents per kilogram. The Ministry for Propagation of Virtue and Prevention of Vice and Complaints hearing reported that a young woman in Nadir Shakut, the district of whose province, has finally exercised her rightful choice of marriage after 6 years of delay due to her father's objections. Previously, her father had barred her from marrying her chosen partner and attempted to force her into marriage with someone else. Through the intervention of the ministry officials, she has now secured her legitimate and Islamic right to choose her spouse. The news continuation. The export of Kandahar pomegranate has increased by 32% compared to last year. Based on the Kandahar Directorate of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock, nearly 22,000 of pomegranates have been exported this year, in contrast to 7,000 tons in the previous year. The Directorate reports that most of the exports were destined for Malaysia, Uzbekistan and Russia. And finally, Palestinian sources have reported raids by the Zionist military forces on the town of Shorba in the west of Ramallah and Al-Fariya refugee camp south of Tubas in the occupied West Bank. In accordance with the sources, clashes erupted between the invading Zionist forces and the Palestinians used in the areas. The town of Beit Rima and Shabtian near Ramallah were also reported targeted by the occupying forces. We have reached the end of our news program. Further informative materials are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.